Hello guys and teacher, I hope you all are okay. Well, this is my final English project. My name is Victor Manuel Lima Garcia and study Logistic Engineering in the Instituto Tecnológico de Puebla. I am in sixth semester. Okay, I am a pretty adventurous, but also very careful, and sometimes I am a little shy in class. Um, I have lived in Puebla since I was baby. I had played volleyball since high school and I had practiced basketball for 1 year. Um, One environmental problem we have in Puebla is there are too much cars. So if everyone use take public transportation, there won't be too much smog because there are less cars. Okay, if you want to have a good teacher-student relationship, you should follow the next recommendations. In my point of view, it's not a good idea to argue with your teacher. It's better, it's better to accept your bad behavior. Um, it's very important to talk with the truth and not tell lies. Um, if your girlfriend doesn't your text message, she must be very busy with her homework. Maybe she could be taking a shower, um, or mm, she can be talking with somebody else. If I were rich, I will be live in Venecia. Um, if if I have a car, I will drive every day to school. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you.